afternoon with just on breaking news. Abujan. Nigeria CNN business as Russian troops their drop Ukraine west of Africa are gearing up to bear the brunt of a potentiality draw on a conflict between the ex-Soviet Republic, two of some of the continent's most cherished trading partners. Africa economists sound the alarm over a looming and likely catastrophe lowering of trade volume between the continent and its warring partner if Russia
Years with Russia exposed to the continent valued at 14 billion annually and imports from Africa pegged at around 5 billion per year.
month away from hunger. Parts of Africa could be plunged into hunger in as fast as 3 months if Russia invasion of Ukraine. Fingers. Sai Wadil Sinbolo, the chief economist of the Agricultural Business Chamber of South Africa. In the short term, between now and 3 months, the conflict will affect food supply primarily from a pricing perspective. Lobo told CNN, as net importers of products like wheat, which influences bread and carols, sunflower oil and maize.
African countries are fairly exposed on some of their suppliers that are coming out Russia and Ukraine. This will be challenged if the war continues for 3 months. Because ordinarily, country usually keep stock of suppliers of 3 to 5 months. Silobo explains that the Ukraine war also comes at a bad time for Africa given the current experience of severe drought is the eastern Siberian which has taken a hit on food prices.
Food prices are already high now. If the war starts, there will be millions of Africans that will be in hunger. We are already expecting millions of people to be in hunger in the areas affected by the drought. So the ongoing conflict will worsen that, he said. Africa big economies such as Nigeria, Haiti, South Africa, Algeria, and Kenya are major import as Russia of agricultural export, putting them at risk of the future spikes in food price if trade is disrupted. She Holbo adds that such target at Russia could also complete Africa export.
Africa exports fruit and vegetables to Russia and Ukraine. 7% of South Africa citrus goes to Russia. 14% of South Africa apples and pears goes to Russia. Egypt and Tunisia also export fruits and vegetables to Russia. The challenge with all of the countries is that with all of the sanctions that are placed on Russia by the US and European countries, it influences that financial service sector even if the logistic will be not immediately affected. It will disrupt the payment system to all of the export in countries to Russia to he told CNN.
Development economists Dumiso Hadeswe argues that Africa is likely to see disturbance in the supply chains that pertain to goods and services are export and import between Russia and Africa. As Russia is slammed with a barrage of sanctions by great critics of its Ukraine invasion, taking side on the conflict. HDB tells CNN that Africa likely would respond towards the Russia-Ukraine conflict might cave in a far more direct stance on parties involved in the war if fighting intensive. Only a handful of governments on the continent have spoken out in the aftermath of the attack, with the Africa Union urging Russian respect for Ukraine's sovereignty and territorial integrity.
Three will be significant pressure of a multilateral relationship point of view as African countries might be forced to take a position on the conflict that is happening between Russia and Ukraine and that might either adversely or positively affect the relationship between Africa and Russia going forward. HBD says. For Russia, academic Irina Filatova taking sides won't be benefit Africa. It won't be in Africa benefit to take sides. I think that Africa can try to remain neutral, said Filatova, who specializes in Russia and Africa story.